Autofill dispensing solution presents automotive handle grip assembly. Autofill peristaltic module PD-003 is implemented to achieve high viscosity glue from reservoir tank to transfer the adhesive in metered quantity. After initializing the HMI control panel, insert the gripper handle in the fixture. Pressing the start button will initiate the glue dispensing operation in the gripper inner surface in consistent manner. Dispensing nozzle will automatically retract after dispensing fixed quantity of adhesive. Any excess dripping glue or trailing material will be cut off by cleaner plate. Integrated weighing scale with control panel helps to audit glue weight consistency within range. For more information, visit autofill.com.